Hi guys! Today I guess I'm doing a video with my crack-headed sister. No matter what I do, I still look ugly. Come the on, you skinny little bastard. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going, well, she's going to be doing my makeup. This is my little sister Destiny. Yeah, that's all I can say. She's my little sister Destiny. Fuck! Her channel. Oh, you dumb little. Can't say that on camera, Jasmine. That's inappropriate. But her channel will be in the description below along with her Instagram and stuff like that. So go subscribe to her because she only got like 2 subscribers.
Stop playing.
You do.
Stop playing.
You do. I mean, there's nothing bad about that. She just started. She only has 1 video up on her channel. I'm not judging her. She just started her YouTube channel. Oh, what am I? Oh, what the fuck? You're scaring my words. Oh yeah, but she's gonna be doing my makeup today, so yeah. Touch
You're
and
gonna have to
soul.
scoot back a lot, Jazz. You're not moving. I'll pull you back.
I'm ticklish.
Stop. I'm not gonna tickle you, okay?
My ass.
Better?
No.
What do you mean? It's not better. This is what I said. Better?
Yes.
Okay. Gosh, up here questioning me. You're not supposed to say nothing. I'm supposed to be your makeup. Okay, ready?
Oh my god.
What are you doing?
I feel like it's gonna drip into my eyeballs.
It's not. It stops dripping after a while.
It's not stop dripping. It's about to go in the eyeball.
No, it's not, dummy.
It's right.
It's not even near your eyeball.
It's right here. Drip
Okay.
it down this way, you retard.
Okay, just come on. Come on. We're gonna do this because she was so dramatic about it. That little tiny piece of hair is gonna irritate me.
You're a little tiny piece of hair.
We have dry or.
Ow! I got me right in the fucking eyeball.
No, I didn't. You can look at the camera. I was
Jesse,
right here.
Jesse.
I was right here.
No, the fuck you weren't. Do you want to go back and look?
Not right now. But
No, because you know you're wrong. You stabbed me right in my eye.
literally, I was right here.
No, you stabbed me right in my eye. That's why my eye's watering right now.
Sorry. Okay, yeah, I'm trying to be scared.
She's abusing me.
What the fuck is wrong with you people?
She stabbed me in my eyeball. Can I stab her back?
I'm gonna have to kill both of you.
Now, usually what I do next for my face is, I'm gonna do the foundation.
Foundation.
Where's the apple? In here? Yeah, I remember. Oh, okay, so, you want this one? So this is my foundation brush I use because it's like really good. It's a fucking piece of hair on it. Freaking piece of hair on it. Stop, you're doing too much.
I heard that.
MUA Makeup Academy Professional.
Professional.
Okay, so. Can you put that up, please? Stop laughing, because you're going to spit on me. I'm going to get irritated. Okay.
She just said irritated.
What pillow? Okay, so I have it on the back of my hand. What are you doing, kid?
Yeah. Why are you putting it all on my eyebrows?
I'm not. I'm blending it the ones that's before your eyebrows. Okay, look up.
You stab me in my eye, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Oh, no, I'm not. Because I know what it's like, you know?
You just fucking stabbed me in the eye.
No, when you're doing this. You stabbed me like 15,000 times.
Because you twitch too much.
You're twitching so much, though.
I don't know if you want me looking up
You
or
never
like,
needed this much foundation, Jazz.
I don't usually use a brush.
What are you doing?
You stabbed me in the fucking eye!
Really? Okay. I'm not gonna stab you, okay? Close your eyes.
No, you're not putting foundation on my eyelids.
Okay, I just have to blend it right here.
Because you're gonna end up getting foundation on the eyelashes.
So extra. You look crazy. Stop making that mad face. Why would you just open the door and leave it like that?
This is weird. I want some water. I'm dirty. Can you go get my tea?
Oh my gosh, yeah, I want my orange juice.
That looks stupid. Just put foundation all up in my eyebrows, dude. All up in my eyebrows.
Thank you. What a freak. That was you.
That was you.
So, literally, we ordered McDonald's like maybe an hour ago. And we had to do this because they did not give us a straw.
Sweet tea with lemon.
Now, I'm gonna do bronzer, then I do concealer.
You don't do concealer?
No, I do bronzer, then concealer, because then I put a little bit of concealer under.
Why don't you
and then I bake it off.
Set my face first, because that's how your bronzer always looks muddy. Well, your bronzer always looks like...
Okay. No, okay.
You might want to conceal first, then.
No, just try. Look,
Your bronzer always looks like...
No, plural word. Try to roast me.
Wow, you're an idiot. You know what plural means?
Plural word.
Plural.
Plural word, yes.
No, you're an idiot. Plural means multiple things.
Oh.
Singular and plural? Fuck. I don't know what the hell they be teaching kids in school, because she's just special.
Shut up. Ooh. What is it? Is it Cody
Cody spun.
Next time I get up, I'm grabbing the air first. Stop. Close your mouth when you're laughing, Jasmine. Close your mouth. Put your lips in. Put your lips in. She's dumb. She's so dumb and retarded. Put your lips in. I told you how to put your lips in.
What?
I don't know. Moron.
You.
Your eyes were closed. I didn't even say.
No, I opened them for a second.
Don't open them. That was your fault. Gosh.
Hurry up. I don't want to look up forever.
What?
I don't want to be looking up forever.
So we're not even concealing because...
She forgot
No, because I was going to conceal, but then she wanted to be like, oh, you conceal this.
It's still wet right here.
That's why your
You
foundation...
did not sit right here at all.
That's why your bronzer looked, muddy. So then I did it her
Yes,
way, and then we forgot.
She was going to put powder contour over wet foundation.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you
I
were.
was, yeah.
Ooh.
My legs.
My legs. It's over here. Over here, over here, over here. You know it's hard out here for a pimp.
This is the Out of Size. We have Beverly Hills,
Brow pomade.
brow pomade and
Shade
shade. Can you shut up? This is my tutorial.
Sure. It's going on my channel.
Okay, you kind of look like the Grinch right now, but it's fine.
The Grinch?
Yeah, we can fix it.
What the fuck?
I think you look good. Pretty good with thick eyebrows. Just I gotta fix them up. Let me see.
Ooh, your breath's big, girl. I love eyebrow. Oh, my face.
Where is it?
Eyebrow.
Your eyebrows smell too good either.
I know, but... She was fell.
Ow! Wait, hold up.
Okay, you're so f***ing extra.
I know. Ow!
I can't fucking see.
Put your hand. I know, I'm gonna fix that. There's like a little, like, froom. You know what I mean?
No, there's a little boom.
I know. Stop! You're doing too much. Stop.
Somebody once told me the world is macaroni.
Look at me. I just am putting a little bit more right up here.
You don't need it!
I'm gonna cry. You're gonna look so dumb if you... See, she wants it to look good, but then she up here... I'm supposed to do bronzer. Stop
Ow.
being weird.
What the fuck is this? Why you do it so far down?
Okay, just turn your head.
Somebody once... Fuck off!
What?
Talking to myself.
Because the song?
Yes.
You keep on,
Let's stick my head. Oh, the sun's coming out. The sun will come out tomorrow.
Shut up. And turn your head. Yeah.
Awesome. Sorry, I got that stuck in my head. Tasty, I'm out of juice. No,
We're gonna go into a smaller brush and do the end with the with the red. With the red. First, we're gonna bop into the shade.
Bop into?
Okay, first I'm gonna pop into the shade Rusted, and then I'm gonna go into the shade You're Kidding.
Ow, can you not dig into my eyeball? I appreciate it.
Yeah, let me see now. Let me see.
Fuck, look!
This is so pretty.
You're stabbing the fuck out of my eyeball, so.
I'm sorry, I don't get how.
Yeah, let me show you.
No.
Exactly.
Oh, I actually know.
No, you don't know.
I might just put some gold in your inner corner. Close your eye, dummy. Put your eyes open.
What?
Eyes open. Close your eye.
What? Okay, stop. You're doing that on purpose. You really are. I'll show you how it is.
No, I'm not. I'm not even doing it on purpose.
Big one push up.
Ow!
You come on, I never hit you that hard.
Yes, you did. Jasmine, I can't move my arm.
You're so fucking dramatic.
I can't move my arm, Jasmine. You were hitting me too hard.
Bro, move your arm and stop being so freaking dramatic. Are you done with this? Okay, eyes done.
Put some eyeliner on. We're gonna be using two highlighter shade mixed. I'm using Sister mixed with Face.
Wait, what the fuck is sister?
Mixed with Face.
Destiny, you know it's too dark.
Okay, then I'm gonna be doing Ring Light mixed with Face.
That's better.
To create this highlight look. Okay, so she's gonna be wearing this, and then like two like little dabs of this on each lip for a glow. There you go.
Destiny, that's not gonna go together.
That's for when it dries.
That's bright ass pink on whatever.
This is only to make it like glittery kind of.
I'm talking about this. This is bright as pink.
I know. Yeah, we'll go with it. How much you want to bet? We'll see. Yeah, it looks cute already. Look, this is a natural look right here. Just some lashes and a cute little design. Go look at her natural look. It's like a full face of makeup.
Dude.
The heck? Like maybe a little pink eyeshadow or maybe tan, a little bit brown. Some lip gloss.
This looks sucks.
Right, tan. Look, I did good for the most part. So,
Of course. This is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also subscribe to her YouTube channel. I know I didn't say that right, but I'm not repeating it.
Let me see what it's at.
I'll link her channel in the description below.
Yeah, that's a better idea.
And
I think my lash is coming
same
off.
thing with her Instagram. I will have all her stuff in the description below. You know, same thing with mine. Follow me on Instagram. Pretty much, I mean, I have TikTok, but I don't post on it, but you can still follow me on there. And Twitter, Snapchat, I got all those in the description. Don't forget to click that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video, because you don't want to miss any of my uploads. I upload every Sunday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think that's everything. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Oh, wait, what the fuck am I saying? I'm repeating myself.
Okay,
I love you guys so much. That's what I was trying to say. And
bye.
Bye.